Today, we're going to talk about how you will recognize when your crop is ready to harvest. When we look at this crop here, we're actually in full flower. That means that the potatoes that are underground are starting to fill up and get bigger and bigger. This crop has actually gone past flowering and is what we call senescence. That means it's dying back. As it's dying back, that means that the potatoes underground, the skins are going to get firmer and firmer, and we're nearly ready to dig the potatoes up. As you can see, this crop here is senescing lovely. So what I'm going to do is cut the tops off here. This will actually help the potatoes underground set their skins, so they'll be nice and firm and the skins won't rub off when we dig them up. So we've cut the tops off, we've let the crop die back. The potato skins should be set underground. Let's have a look and see what we get. Not a bad start. All I've got to do now is dig the rest of the field. Now we're at the end of growing our crop. Don't forget to send all your pictures of your potatoes in so we can start judging. Thank you very much.